Hey guys, hopefully you can hear me. Yeah, I'm trying to use this new mic. I've been using this for voiceovers, but this is the first time I'm actually trying to use this. So yeah, today's Saturday. It's 7:38 and I'm off for 9 days. Woohoo! So I figured I'd vlog a little bit this week. I'm getting ready to go to yoga, and I think that's a good way to start Saturday. Get some yoga in, get the vibes going, and yeah, I'll take you guys along with me so you can see what my day is like and get some food ideas. If you hear some noise in the background, that's my dog tap dancing across the floor. My favorite time to go to yoga is in the morning, and I do not like to go with anything on my stomach, so I usually go with an empty stomach, and I usually have either water or a little bit of tea. So I'm just having some green tea with a little bit of agave. So I usually do hot yoga, but I've been trying hot vinyasa, and it's definitely a different flow. This towel is not working for me anymore. It was definitely working when I was doing the hot yoga because you spend half of the time standing or elevated, and then the second half is you're on the mat. So by the time you get on the mat, even though your towel is soaking wet, it doesn't matter because you don't have to grip anymore, and it's okay that you're laying on it. So if you have any suggestions for a yoga towel that I can use for hot vinyasa, please let me know in the description. Please let me know in the comments below because I'm definitely looking for one. And so far I've just seen some really expensive ones for like $60, $70, $80. All right, just got done with yoga. Class was good, very hard, but it was good. So that's done. Gonna go home and grab something to eat. I've been trying Daily Harvest, and they deliver plant-based meals, which are, organic, full of superfoods, vegan, of course. And I'm paying about $45 a week for 6 meals. And I don't think that's too bad because if you consider if you're eating out or if you are spending money on a lot of different meal plans that are out there, you're going to be paying more than about $7 per meal. So it's definitely more expensive than cooking for yourself, but I'm doing it more like a convenience thing. And it's not replacing all of my meals, obviously, because it's only 6 meals, but it's definitely helping out because I cook a lot. I cook a lot for the channel, for myself, and for my son. And it's nice to have a little bit of convenience here and there. This one has zucchini, leeks, turmeric, a whole bunch of different superfoods, and I'm gonna just add additional water. It only calls for about 1 cup of water, but I want to spread this out into several meals, so I'm going to add 2 to 3 cups of water, and then I'm also going to add some additional fresh spinach to give it a little bit more nutrients, and also to space out the seasoning because it does not have a high sodium amount. I wouldn't say it's super high, but if you're gonna have it as like 1 meal, I would definitely say it's high, but if you're gonna spread it out, it's not high. So adding the additional water will help, and adding a little bit of spinach to just fill it up a little bit more and spread it out over several meals. Some of you have been asking to see my place, so here's a little sneak peek at my bedroom. I'm definitely still working on it, but I love this bed. I got it from Rooms to Go, but it reminds me of like a Z Gallery bed. So I love the gray color, so soft and everything. And it's definitely cozy and comfy, so I'm very happy with it. And as for my closet doors, I took the doors off. They were the metal accordion doors, which I hate. And every time, you open them and close them, they make that squeaky noise because they're old. So I took off the doors and replaced them with these gray curtains. Well, I need to do a little bit of grocery shopping, but I've been using Instacart for about 6 months now, and I absolutely love how convenient it is. So while I wait for my delivery, I'm gonna eat again. I'm actually gonna make a tahini dressing and show you guys how I make it. This tahini dressing is one of my favorites, and it's really simple and easy to make. It doesn't take a lot of ingredients, and it's just 1.5 teaspoons of tahini. You can add a little bit more or a little bit less depending on how thick you want it or how thin you want it. And after I add the tahini, I go ahead and add about a splash of lemon juice. And then after I add my splash of lemon juice, I add a little bit of sea salt. So once I get all of that in there, I do add a little bit water if I need to thin it out, because the tahini is very thick and it can be hard to mix if you're doing it by hand. So I do add a little bit of water to thin it out, and then that will also stretch the tahini, which will cut down on the calories, because the tahini does have a lot of calories in it. Not that I'm counting calories like that, but it is based off of seed, so it has a lot of calories, just like nuts have a lot of calories. They're calorically dense. So I'm gonna add a little bit of water and just stir that up and get it nice and smooth. And then once it's nice and smooth, I'll go ahead and add it to my salad. Then I'm gonna go ahead and mix it up with my greens, get it nice and covered. Make sure all the greens have a little bit of that delicious dressing. And then I'm going to add a little bit of nutritional yeast to the salad. And I'm also loving these simple, easy to use, convenient trail mix snack packs. So I like how it's portioned out and I can just add them to a recipe. And I really like adding them to a salad. See how pretty that looks? This is definitely a nice quick snack to have, and the more nutrients you add to it, the more you can make it a meal. You could add some avocado to it. You could definitely add some chickpeas and hearty it up, but I just wanted a nice little snack in between my meals. So kombucha is so good. It has lots of probiotics and it's great for a healthy gut. So this is delicious. I'm gonna go ahead and wash down my salad with this big easy bucha. So as I'm waiting for my delivery, I'm gonna watch the rest of The Never-Ending Story. Do you guys remember this movie? Oh, it has so many gems. It has so many life lessons in it. All right, so my delivery is here, and let me show you my haul. So I got some Oreos, and I actually got 15 sweet potatoes or yams, and they were on sale for about 15 cents each. So isn't that an amazing price? 15 cents each, so I couldn't help myself. I went ahead and got 15. I'm gonna be making candied yams and sweet potato pie for Thanksgiving. And if you want a sweet potato pie recipe, it's on my vlog. It should be the latest recipe that's on there at naturalveganmama.com. So check that out if you want that recipe. And what else did I get? I got some popcorn. And this popcorn only has like a little bit of oil and some salt, so this is perfect. It doesn't have any butter in it. I got some foil. I got some baby Bella mushrooms. I'm gonna be using that in some recipes. And I got a pomegranate. I got some carrots. I got some potatoes because I'm gonna be making my delicious southern potato salad for Thanksgiving. And that recipe is on this site as well on YouTube, and it's also on my website. And what else did I get? I got some red pears. I got some cornbread so that I could make cornbread stuffing. What else did I get? I got some coleslaw. I love to add this cabbage to different salads, and it's convenient for me that it's already shredded up. I got some onions, some grapes, and I got some pineapple. So the funny thing about this pineapple is it's already ready to go, ready to eat. It's cored and everything. And I checked out the price, like I compared the price of this pineapple that's already ready to eat to the whole pineapple, and they were actually the same price. So I just went ahead and got the one that was already ready. Less work for me. I got some celery, and yeah, here's a close-up of everything that I got, and my total for this haul was $37.50, so I think I did pretty good. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and close out the vlog here. If you like these types of videos, definitely give it a thumbs up to let me know that you want me to make more of them, and leave me a comment below if you have any questions, and definitely subscribe. I'm also on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter if you want to check out what I'm doing over there. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.